What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a plank. Now a lot of you guys know what a plank is. It's basically, you know, when you hold a plank for a minute, that's gonna be the longest minute in your life, you know. But let's talk about how to correctly perform a plank. So it's kind of the same as in a push-up position, except you're not on your hands, but you are on your forearms and your elbows, like you see right here. So the major key is to have a straight torso. So not putting your glutes in the air or not having an arched back. You have to be straight. And you have to, when you go down in a plank position, you have to squeeze your core. You have to keep your core tight, because when you're going to keep your core tight, then it's going to ensure that you're going to be in the right position and you're going to be straight. So the main key is to keep your core really tight. You know, that's going to ensure that you're going to be using correct form with the plank. Now I'm going to show you from a different angle. So I do all my videos in slow motion so you can see a lot better the form. So on your forearms, elbows, and go down. You see, this is wrong. This is wrong. If you have your butt in the air, your glutes, you know, that's wrong. Keep your core tight and get into position straight. It has to be a straight line, just like you see right here. See? This is wrong. Now a lot of people make this big mistake and they have their butts in the air, which is a big mistake with doing planks. Now if you're getting in a plank position hard, imagine it's a push-up like I'm doing right here. You know, so you get in a push-up position and then go down slowly on your forearms, just like I'm doing right here. You see? Perfect form, straight line. And then when you're in position, squeeze your core. You see? You got to really squeeze your core. A lot of you guys don't know how to squeeze your abs, squeeze your core. It's like breathing in and holding your breath. You know, but it takes a little bit of practice. If you've never done it before, it takes a little bit of practice. But you got to squeeze your core, squeeze your abs, and keep them tight during the whole exercise. Now, when you get into position, just hold it for an extended amount of time. You know, the longer you hold it, the harder it's going to be, you know. So let's talk about a little bit of the plank. The plank, it's a great core exercise, you know, not necessarily for building those shredded, defined abs, but it's a great exercise for the core, you know, core strength and power, which is also important. It's not just about shredded and ripped abs. It's also about having a strong, functional core. And that is what the plank does. It builds that strong, functional, conditioned core. So that's very important. Now you see it from this angle. As you can see, I'm gonna hold it for a while now, straight. Now remember, keep in mind, like I said from the start, the position. If it's getting hard to get into that position, do a push-up first, then go down slowly on your forearms, and you should be in position. Squeeze your core, your abs, you know, breathe in. You can still normally breathe during the plank, but keep your abs and core tight. Then just hold it for an extended amount of time, and you're gonna be good. So that was how to perform a plank correctly, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out.